In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a PDF to the featured section on LinkedIn. This is an excellent way to showcase your work, share important documents, or highlight significant achievements on your professional profile. Let's get started and make your LinkedIn page stand out. First, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to personalizing your profile and making sure it represents you in the best possible light. After clicking your profile icon, you'll want to select View Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your main profile page where you can begin editing and adding new sections. It's always a good idea to keep your profile updated and engaging. And adding a featured section is a fantastic way to do just that. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the option that says Add Profile Section. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on it to reveal a list of additional sections you can add to your profile. This feature allows you to make your profile more comprehensive and detailed. Next, find the Recommended tab and click on it. From here, you'll see the option to Add Featured. The Featured section is a great tool for drawing attention to specific content you want to showcase, such as projects, articles, or in this case, a PDF file. Click on Add Featured to proceed. Once you're in the Featured section, you'll notice a plus icon. This icon is your key to adding new content. Click the plus icon to open a menu that provides various options for adding content. It's a simple step, but crucial for moving forward with adding your PDF. In the menu that appears, you'll want to select Add Media. This option allows you to upload various types of content directly to your featured section. It's a versatile tool for adding depth to your profile and sharing valuable information with your network. Now that you've selected Add Media, you need to choose the PDF file you want to upload. Browse through your files, select the PDF you wish to feature, and click Open. This will upload the PDF to your LinkedIn profile, making it visible in your featured section. Ensure that the PDF you're uploading is ready for public viewing and represents your professional brand effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a PDF to your LinkedIn featured section. This simple addition can significantly enhance your profile, making it more visually appealing and informative. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated with relevant and engaging content is essential for networking and professional growth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn presence.